Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I am working on a 2003 GMC Yukon, which I think is the same thing as a Suburban, and probably the Silverado and Escalade. I'm not sure about all the different models, but I know this is a Yukon. Anyway, replace the Pitman arm and the idler arm. This is the idler, and I was doing this the wrong way, the hard way, on the vehicle, and it didn't work because some complete knuckleheads picked some goofy, stupid, full retard sized Allen head for this, and metric or standard doesn't fit with the ones that I had. So I took and started off trying to do this in the car. It didn't work. It's much easier to just take it out. Two big bolts. I think it's a 21 millimeter socket, and I got away with using a 13/16 wrench on the nuts. Use the impact on the front side. So I hammered started off kind of hitting the end of this with the belt sander, just trying to taper it a little bit, and then hammered this 5/16 wrench in here. Used a piece of, I think 3/4 inch rigid pipe to hold it steady while I torqued it down. And I got away with using a 15/16. Fits nice and snug. So I just didn't have the weird metric size, whatever it is, like a 20 something big. 20, maybe I can't remember. Anyway, but yeah, just take this thing off. Then, of course, I hammered this in so hard I had to beat the crap out of it to get it back out. So anyway, that's the better way to do it. I watched a video, found a better video last night. 1A Auto has some really good videos, but this one guy who was supporting or suggesting buying these parts from 1A Auto had a video that was a little bit better. And I'll be bragging on him because he didn't have that many views, and I put the first comment on his video. So anyway, yeah, I think he said torque these big two bolts back to 74 foot-pounds. And this just gets tight as all get out. I thought I was done with this project, had my dad wiggle the wheel again, and this was loose as a goose right here. I thought, I had at least a thread coming out, so it's got to have at least about 3 threads, 2.5, 3 or so coming out of there. So anyway, hope that helps somebody out. Have a good one. Good luck. Fun.